In this video, we'll show you how to buy on StockX step by step, from finding a product to placing your order. The first thing we need to do is visit the official StockX website or open the app. Once we're inside, we can create an account or sign in if we're already registered. Next, we'll use the search bar to find the product we want to buy. We can search for sneakers, clothing, accessories, and other items available on the platform. Once we find the product, we'll open its listing. Here, we'll be able to select the size or variant we want and check important information such as the price, recent sales, and product details. Once we've decided what we want to buy, we'll select the buy option. For some products, we may also be able to choose between buying at the current price or placing an offer to the seller. Before confirming the order, StockX will show us a summary including the product price, shipping costs, taxes, and any other applicable fees. It's very important to review the final amount so we know exactly how much we're going to pay. Next, we'll enter our shipping information and available payment method. We'll make sure everything is correct and then confirm the order. And that's it. As you can see, buying on StockX is a fairly simple process, as long as we carefully review the product, final price, and order details before confirming the purchase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.